What's the meaning of Big Dipper? Big Dipper. Big Dipper.
Big Dipper. Big Dipper. The phrase Big Dipper generally refers to the popular seven-star asterism in the constellation Ursa Major, which is visible in the northern hemisphere year-round and has been recognized by various cultures and civilizations throughout history. The shape of the seven stars is often likened to a large ladle or dipper that appears to be pouring water. In ancient times, the Big Dipper was used as a navigational tool for travelers and sailors, and still plays an important role in astronomy and astrology today. Additionally, the Big Dipper holds cultural significance in various societies, such as Native American tribes who view it as a symbol of a bear or a hunter.